Hi all, welcome to our next section. Um, in this section, basically, we are going to discuss how to. Um, in this section, basically, we are going to discuss deliverable creation framework using ChatGPT. What it means is what are the steps which are required for delivering a deliverable, which are required for creating a deliverable using ChatGPT. For example, if you want to um, create a user story using ChatGPT. What are the tasks involved in that? So that section, this is a section which we are going to discuss now. So this deliverable creation framework using ChatGPT, it has basically 4 steps in happy scenario. The very first step is analyze and understand the task at hand. So what does that mean is basically you go through the problem, you understand what is the problem you are trying to solve, what is the task you are trying to do, or what is the name of the deliverable you are trying to create using ChatGPT, and what are the various sections in that deliverable, what are the section which you will require in the response. So those kind of things you will understand in this step. For example, if you are creating a use story, so you will first you need to understand that you are going to create a use story which is a deliverable. Then these are sections of this use story. For example, um, your story title, description, acceptance criteria, and between these sections you want to, let's say, um, you want ChatGPT to generate the short title of this your story, description, and acceptance criteria, right? So and what is the context of the product or feature in which you for which you are generating this deliverable. So all these things you need to understand in step one, or do in step one. And after you have understood and analyzed the task at hand, then what you do is, based on the understanding, based on the requirements of this deliverable, you draft a ChatGPT prompt. Then the prompt which you have drafted in step number 2, you will use this, you will copy this draft ChatGPT prompt and uh, um, run it through ChatGPT to generate an initial response. And once ChatGPT generates an initial response, what you do is you review that response. And if you think this is a high quality response, this is the direction you wanted to, you were expecting the ChatGPT to go for your particular task, then you start contextualizing or refining this response to a better level of quality. So this was the happy flow. Then there are two other scenarios, alternate scenarios. Obviously, there can be hundreds of other scenarios, but these are the two key scenario which are likely to happen. Alternate scenario. The first one is when the response which is generated by ChatGPT initial response, or any response generated by ChatGPT, it's deviating from medium to 70-80% correct, correction level or confidence level. So if it is if the confidence level of this response or quality level of response is anywhere between 60 to 80%, in that case what you do is you will run additional prompt in the same thread uh, of ChatGPT to optimize the results of ChatGPT to bring it bring the response to the direction you are taking. So, and then again, the response which is now generated by ChatGPT, you will again review it, and if you are happy with the this quality of this new response, then you contextualize it. So this is scenario number 2. Scenario number 3 is basically ChatGPT has generated a response which is of very poor quality, or the quality level is anywhere between 30 to 50% or 20 to 50%. Those kind of scenarios, you review the result, figure out what has gone wrong in your prompt, and then you rewrite your entire prompt and run this entire prompt from the beginning in ChatGPT, and then whatever response has come through, you review and contextualize. Review this response. If it is of high quality, then you contextualize it. So this is the high level deliverable creation framework or steps or approach which you will use for creating any deliverable through ChatGPT. You can use it for delivering any task through ChatGPT. It doesn't matter what is your role. For example, you can be a product owner, product manager, tester, business analyst, accountant, marketer, proposal writer, anyone. So whatever is your role or whatever work you are trying to do, this will be the high level approach you will be needing to approach your task or deliverable for generating it through ChatGPT. So this is the end of this section.